The GIAC Certified Incident Handler, GCIH certification, is one of the most respected cybersecurity certifications for professionals specializing in incident response, threat detection, and cyber attack mitigation. This certification, offered by the Global Information Assurance Certification, GIAC, validates a candidate's ability to detect, respond to, and remediate security incidents. The GCIH exam is designed to test a candidate's understanding of cyber attack techniques, incident handling procedures, and threat mitigation strategies. Successfully passing the exam demonstrates an individual's ability to manage and respond to cyber incidents effectively, making it a valuable credential for security analysts, incident responders, SOC teams, and penetration testers. In this lesson, we will explore the GCIH exam format, key domains covered in the test, study strategies, and essential topics candidates should focus on to succeed. The GCIH exam format consists of 106 multiple-choice questions, and candidates are given 4 hours to complete the test. A passing score requires at least 70% correct answers. The exam is open book, meaning candidates can bring printed reference materials, including textbooks, notes, and study guides. However, despite being open book, the exam is challenging due to its scenario-based questions, technical depth, and real-world attack simulations. It is essential for candidates to not only memorize key concepts, but also understand how different attack techniques work and how to respond effectively. Because the questions are designed to assess practical knowledge, candidates must be comfortable with incident handling processes, hacker tactics, tools, and countermeasures. The key topics covered in the GCIH exam are divided into several domains that reflect real-world cybersecurity incidents. The first major area is incident handling and response, which includes the 6-step incident handling process: preparation, identification, containment, eradication, recovery, and lessons learned. Candidates must understand how to effectively manage security incidents, including log analysis, forensic investigation, and containment strategies. The second major domain is hacker techniques and exploits, where candidates are tested on various cyber attack methods, including buffer overflows, privilege escalation, web application attacks, password cracking, and social engineering. Understanding how attackers operate is critical for detecting and mitigating threats before they escalate. Another important section of the exam is network security and attack detection. Candidates must demonstrate proficiency in analyzing network traffic, identifying suspicious activities, and detecting intrusions using tools like Wireshark, Snort, and Suricata. This domain also covers firewall configurations, intrusion detection systems (IDS), and intrusion prevention systems (IPS). A strong understanding of malware analysis and digital forensics is also required. Candidates need to know how to analyze malware behavior, reverse engineer attacks, and extract indicators of compromise (IOCs) from infected systems. Additionally, the exam covers threat intelligence and risk assessment, requiring candidates to understand how to assess vulnerabilities, prioritize threats, and implement mitigation strategies based on real-world intelligence. A significant portion of the GCIH exam focuses on penetration testing and ethical hacking techniques. Candidates must understand how security assessments are conducted, including scanning for vulnerabilities, exploiting weak systems, and simulating real-world cyber attacks to test defenses. Tools such as Metasploit, Nmap, and Burp Suite play a crucial role in this domain. Additionally, web application security is an essential component of the exam, where candidates must demonstrate knowledge of SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and remote file inclusion (RFI) attacks. Recognizing these threats and implementing secure coding practices is key to mitigating risks in web environments. Another critical area of study is defensive strategies and countermeasures. Candidates need to understand how to harden systems, implement endpoint security solutions, and configure security policies to reduce attack surfaces. Concepts such as log analysis, SIM integration, access control policies, and least privilege principles are heavily emphasized. Additionally, candidates are expected to be familiar with incident response automation and security orchestration, which involves using SOAR, security orchestration, automation, and response tools, to improve efficiency in handling security events. To prepare effectively for the GCIH exam, candidates should focus on hands-on labs, real-world attack scenarios, and extensive practice with cybersecurity tools. It is highly recommended to set up a home lab environment where candidates can test different attack techniques, analyze network traffic, and practice incident response workflows. Many candidates find it useful to go through official SANS training materials, as the SANS SE 504 Hacker Tools, Techniques, Exploits, and Incident Handling course aligns closely with the exam objectives. Additionally, practicing with online cybersecurity challenges, CTF Capture the Flag competitions, and hands-on labs on platforms like Hack the Box and Try Hack Me can significantly enhance practical skills. Time management during the exam is another critical factor for success. Since the GCIH exam is open book, candidates should prepare an organized index of study materials to quickly reference key topics. Instead of searching through multiple books, having a well-structured index or keyword-based reference sheet can save valuable time during the exam. Furthermore, candidates should practice answering sample questions under timed conditions to get familiar with the exam's pace. Because scenario-based questions require in-depth understanding, it is essential to not just memorize concepts but also apply them to practical incident response situations. The GCIH certification is valuable for security professionals aiming to work in incident response, security operations center roles, cybersecurity consulting, and penetration testing. Many organizations recognize the GCIH as proof of advanced incident handling expertise, and holding this certification can lead to career advancements in cyber defense, threat intelligence, and red teaming. With cyber threats becoming more complex, companies rely on skilled professionals who can identify, respond to, and mitigate attacks in real time. In conclusion, the GCIH exam is a challenging but rewarding certification for cybersecurity professionals who want to specialize in incident handling and cyber threat detection. Understanding the exam format, key domains, and practical applications of cybersecurity tools is essential for success. Candidates should combine theoretical study with hands-on practice to build a strong foundation in threat detection, attack mitigation, and cybersecurity defense strategies. By following structured study plans, leveraging real-world cybersecurity scenarios, and practicing with the right tools, candidates can enhance their skills and confidently pass the GCIH exam. In the next section, we will explore real-world applications of GCIH concepts, demonstrating how certified professionals apply their knowledge in security incidents and cyber defense operations. Stay tuned.